Today we're visiting Amazing Grace Animal Sanctuary. They've got a little bit of everything where they come and have their new homes. There's chickens, ducks, turkeys, goats, pigs, donkeys, horses, llamas, alpacas, sheep. You know, a little bit of everything. Alright, so here's a little bit more about it. It is in Sullivan, New Hampshire. Anyone can stop by. It's free to visit. Donations are always welcome. And all the money goes to the care of the animal. So as it says right here, there's over 47 rescued animals that you can visit with. Archie, the pig that I actually talked to you guys about, and one of the goats who is actually blind, they go and visit schools and do awareness. So check them out. They do have a Facebook and post videos and all kinds of great stuff. I love it. You can volunteer, you can bring the kids. So great place. Such a great place. And the trail goes all the way out here around the barn and then comes back, which you can go in the barn, you're allowed to. You just can't go in the paddocks unless the owner's out here and says you can. Like, I've gone in that one and visited the two sheep. We have some visitors. Everyone came over to say hi, and this one's having a snack. Hello.
He'll let you touch the little piece at the top.
I love your little mustache. You guys are adorable. Hello. Wait, look at him. Or her. I'm not sure. But they come from all different places. If they need a home and they need sanctuary, you know, they come here. The owners are great. I've met the lady. I haven't met the man, but they're fabulous.
They got sheared. It was shearing time.
You gonna follow?
Give them a goat friend.
Oh yes, hello. Hello. You can pet you. Hi.
All this stuff is money for you. Of course not.
What in the world is that?
Look at him.
Oh yeah, you can see it puffed up. Right. Okay. Where did that from? Can you hear it?
To get a
There's a cute little story on the trail that I'm going to come back and do the whole thing one day. But it tells about Henrietta and Gronk, which are two pigs that live here. So the trail skirts all the way around the outside of the paddock where the horses, donkeys, llamas, alpacas, and the miniature horses all hang out. So you get to see them on your walk too. We found some donkeys. Hi. You wanna come visit? Okay. No. We found Archie. This little pig will follow you around the whole place. He thinks he's a dog. He doesn't know. Oh. And then we got this big one in here. Hi. Oh, we got some peekers back here.
Flat steel.
I hope we're approved. The chickens and goats. Oh, we got some duck visitors coming. Please don't eat me.
It's a follower. I love it so much.
Here, chick chick. Oh, one of the big turkeys back there. Hello, chicka chicka. No, you're a runner? Okay. Little goat friend. Just enjoying the sunny day.
Oh, well, that one's doing it.
What you doing?